welcome to new episode. Just now I flew in Denver from somewhere, but that doesn't matter. So my next flight is interesting one. Denver is covered with snow right now. Luckily, today it is not snowing. You know how sometimes you feel you should take a window seat, but sometimes you feel the aisle seat is best. But in this flight, we will get both of them in one seat. Do I have a window seat? Yes. Do I have aisle seat? Yes.
I'll be happy to any of the listed functions. You may
Although plane is smaller, but this plane has huge windows. I am looking forward for great views and getting up multiple times.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Flight 4751 with service over to Tyson, Knoxville, Tennessee. I'm Captain Brinson. I'll be assisted up front today by First Officer Dave.
So for first time in my life, they announced you can use mobile phones while landing and takeoff. No need to put it on airplane mode. Never happened. I don't know how. This seat is great. The only downside of this seat, I would say, it does not have overhead bin. So you have to store on that overhead bin. So that might be sometimes crowded. Apart from this somewhat rare and cool sitting arrangement, all other things were average. Nothing too extraordinary. Seats were not that comfortable, but it's a short flight. Plane was clean, staff was friendly, and as usual, you will get one snack and a drink. But this time I carried my own food, a bowl of homemade pasta. Flight had a Wi-Fi service. Now with this 2-hour flight, I'm going to watch a movie. It's a very famous movie. I think you will be able to guess it. Can you guess which is this one? By the way, I'm watching it on my laptop. The net is not that good. This is the smallest bathroom. I'm not a tall guy. No water? Maybe this towel will do. I forgot to mention, but flight was on time. So that's a one for United. Just landed in Knoxville. It was a great experience to have a single seat to you. So look out for Embraer 145 plane, and if you get a chance to fly in that, make sure to book a single seat by the window. And now it's time to roam around in Smokies. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.